sorry, slide down, slide toggle feature we have seen. After that, the basic like the parent methods which run something, all these method you see. The hide, show, the toggle feature we have seen. Perfect. So now the same program, whatever the program we just created, right? The same program I will open. So I just wanted to execute some functionality. I just wanted to tell some, it's not about the other methods. The same method, whenever we are using something, different types of configuration things, what will be the happen? I just wanted to tell here now. So let me open Atom software. Yes, it's about the 9 methods program. Okay, packages, a live server, the same program, whatever we have created, I'm running with the server, you see. Start server, perfect. Sir, here we are having the different types of button, you see. One, fade out. Slowly it is disappearing. Okay, fine. Now what I'm expecting, if I come that back again, it may be a good situation. Sir, it has to come back again. Sir, without clicking, you see, without clicking the button automatically, it has to come back. Now we can see, if you click the button only, it will come, you see. If you click the fade in button, or if you click the side in button, if you click the show button, then only it will come. Or slide toggle, fade toggle, you see, it will work. Sir, without clicking the button automatically, it will come or not. I want to create that scenario. It automatically gone, right? Sir, it has to come back again. I don't want to click this button, but it has to come back. Sir, slide up. Sir, it is going up and disappeared. I want that back again. 100% is I have to click maybe any button. Maybe fade toggle, slide down, slide toggle, show toggle. Now we can see without clicking the any button, I just want come that back again. So this scenario first I will create, you see. Okay. So let me delete everything, you see. Let me delete the total JavaScript I have deleted first. Now we can see, sir, no action is working, you see. No action is working. So let me delete the 9 buttons. Now we can see, let me delete the 9 buttons. So where is the button? Now we can say, let me delete all the buttons. Perfect. Let me delete it. So even we don't have any buttons also. Sir, here I'm creating a button. So let's say all tasks, all actions. Now we can see I have created a button, all action, you see. Okay, let me use a class. Sorry, ID. ID equal to btn2. btn2. Now we can see something we are getting. btn3. 1 minute. Okay, CSS, red color. Okay, 456, I think. Button for red color. Button for red color we will get. Now we can see all actions I just wanted to perform. You see, all actions I just wanted to perform. So 1 minute. Let me change the CSS code to. Let me change the width to 90 pixel. 1 minute. Okay. 1 minute. One minute. Margin, let me use auto. What happened? Okay, it's not working with that scenario. Okay. Padding may be reflected with the, yes, here it is reflecting. Okay, fine. Sir, if I click this button, first it has to disappear and again it has to come back automatically. Now we can see. Sir, here at the very first dollar symbol, document. So which means the entire document with the images, with the videos, with the audios, the values from the database, whatever it is, data ready. Ready means if it is loaded properly, Sir, then only this function to be executed. You see, this function to be executed. There is no function name, but this function to be executed. Sir, what is this function? In here, let me find out this button, sir. Find out this button first. So what is the button ID? BTN4. So dollar symbol hash. Why hash? Sir, because it is a ID. Because it is what ID. So button 4. Copy this and paste here. Button 4 dot. Sir, if the people will click, you see, if the people will click this button. Sir, if the people will click this button. Okay, click what? Sir, if the people will click, so this function to be executed. This function to be executed. Okay. Sir, in this function, what exactly the action to be executed? This is the paragraph 2, right? The division 2, second division, you see, second division, this paragraph. Sir, here, if you see my division 2, what is the ID? My division 2. Sir, dollar symbol, hash, my division 2, dot, FADE, fade, OUT, out within the 3 seconds or 5 seconds. Now we can see. Sir, just click this, sir. Slowly, the middle box is disappeared. Sir, I want the same thing back again with the same animation. I want the same thing again. I want with the same animation. Okay. So here, previously we have used what the another buttons we have used, you see. Otherwise, the same button we have. Toggle feature means hide and show concept. But here only single button. I want that back again without clicking that button. So here, after completion of this animation, sir, the same division, my division 2, sir, dot fade in. Fade in within the same 5 seconds. That's it. My work is done, you see. Sir, first line will execute and after that second line will execute. That's it. Now we can see, just click this. Slowly, the second division is disappeared. And you see, again, it is getting back, you see. Yes. Now we can see again, it is getting back. Again, you see the action, you see, just click this. So the middle box, you see the middle box, slowly, it is disappeared and again it is getting back. Okay, fine. Okay. So now, after completion of this one, what I just wanted to execute, sir, I just wanted to execute with the slide up feature, slide up. After this one, slide down. After this one, again, after this one, fade out. After this one, slide down, you see. After this one, slide down. Yes, we can execute. It's not a big deal, you see. Okay. Like continuously, we are executing what the different types of functions we are executing. You see, just click this. First, it will go with the fade out. It will disappear. And again, it is getting back. And after that, it will go with the slide up. And after that, it will come to the slide down. And after that, it may be fade out. And after that, it will coming from the down, you see, slide down. Okay. So now we can see such seriously. Now we can see seriously means it's not about that much serious like series. Okay. So now we can see continuously one action is executed and after that fade in action. And after that slide up action. And after that, see, only I have clicked only one time. Slide down action. And after that, maybe fade out. And after that, slide down. Sir, this situation is what continuously is executed, right? After one of another, after one of another, after one of another. Now we can see, sir, you should not write these lines of code. So this scenario here it is there. Now this scenario we should not use. Sir, then what, sir? Sir, one it is executing, and after that another it is executing, and after that another action it is executing. Whenever the action is like that, so here we have to use what? The chaining rule we have to use. Chaining rule, we can call it as what? Chaining effect, we can call it. Chaining rule or chaining effect. You know, chain, right? How exactly it will be? Chain. Maybe gold chain, maybe wrist chain, whatever here it is there. Sir, now we can see this action, completion of that chain, you see, chain, maybe a gold chain. Now we can see one petal like will be linked with the another petals, right? Now we can see linking will be there. Now here after this one, delete this. Now we can see delete this, delete, chain dot. Now we can see if this one first execute this after completion of that chain dot. Now we can see this one after completion of that, again delete, chain, again delete, chain, again delete, delete, chain, again delete, chain. That's it. So this one we can call it as a chaining rule. That's it. Now we can see. Sir, you see, let's copy this. Here multiple times we have used my division 2. Here I have used only one time. You see, here I have used only one time. Still the program will work. You see, chaining rule. Desktop, we are working with 37 jQuery chaining rule. Perfect. Let's see whether the output we are getting or not. You see, let me refresh, just click only one time. Fade out is working, and after that fade in also is working. Slide up is working. Slide down also is working. And after that fade out, fade in. Sir, okay, previously also is working, this time also is working. Why we have to use this chaining rule, sir? Any like reasons is there? Any reasons is there, you see? Now we can, any reasons is there? Yes, sometimes the reasons may be there. Let's see some reason, you see, some reason, just see. Okay, so 1 minute, some reason I will show. Chaining HTML code, chaining CSS code. So button, this is not required. Button 7 is not required. This is not required. We require the JavaScript is really important. This code. Perfect. Now, so here previously we have written something line by line. So I said something we should not write. Any particular reasons is there? Some reasons is there. From that, okay, one reason here I will pick, you see. Sir, every time first line will execute, and after that second line will execute, and after that third line will execute, and after that fourth line will execute, and after that fifth line will execute, and after that sixth line will execute. Yes, it is a perfect formula. Sir, here what I am just presenting here, sir, first this one will execute, and after completion of that, this one will execute. After completion of that, this one will execute. Okay, very fine. Now we can see it's a very like smooth activity here. It is there. Sir, now we can see after completion of 3 animations. Sir, here in the middle, I am writing something alert. My code is working or not properly. Now we can see. Sir, first this animation will execute. Second, this animation will execute. Third, this one will execute. Fourth, alert will come. Fourth option, you see, fourth option, alert will come because line by line code will execute, you see. Control S, now we can see. Just click this. Sir, we are getting the alert. Now we can see, sir, this animation is not executed. 5 seconds is not executed. And another 5 seconds is not executed. Another 5 seconds is not executed. But we are getting what alert we are getting, you see. Now we can see the code is not working properly. Sir, your code is not working properly. Now we can see these types of scenarios also will come, you see. Okay. The scenario is what very simple, you see. Sir, every programming language, the first line will execute, fade out. It will disappear, you see. Sir, after fade out, what will be executed? Alert. Alert. Good morning, you see. Good morning. Sir, then only the second line will execute, you see. Just click this. Now we can see we are getting the good morning. So even you can see, even 5 seconds is completed, you see. 5 seconds is completed. Just click this. Now we can see we are not feeling the animation, you see. You can see, just click good morning. Okay. So even you can see 5 seconds may be completed, you see. A fade out feature means slowly it will disappear, right? Just click this. Now we can see even we are not getting that feeling, you see. You see. So these types of situations, how we have to handle, you see. These types of situation, how we have to handle a simple concept. Now, so these types of situations, a simple concept I will use. Sir, here are outside. Okay, let me try here outside. I'm creating a function. Let's go with the wishes. I just wanted to tell some wishes. I just wanted to tell some wishes. So here, let me print with the alert. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Okay. Now, sir, first this action will execute. And after that, I am calling what this wishes. Let's see what happened. Just click this. Now we can see still we are getting the good morning, you see. Wishes, still we are getting the good morning. So this is not executing, you see. No problem. So these types of activities, how we have to perform after 5 seconds, comma, whatever the method here it is there, na, that method name here we can call. Let's see whether it is working or not. Now we can see slowly it is disappeared. After 5 seconds, now we can say good morning, everyone. What we are getting, good morning, everyone. So your code is working properly. This is something, a scenario. So this scenario, we can call it as a call back scenario. Call back scenario. Callback job HTML code. Callback job CSS code. Simple, whatever some action, some activities you wanted to execute separate, you can write. So those things you wanted to use with the animations, after 5 seconds, you have to call the methods name. That's it. It's not about some other formula. Callback job JS code. Perfect. Okay, so now we can see 9 methods. I'm deleting. Let's go with the other methods. Actually, remove this project folder. Just close everything. Okay. So now here I am working with the setter methods, getter methods. The 9 methods is completed. So let's go with the getters and setters. Getters and setters. It's not about the Java programming language. It's not about the Python programming language. Sir, in Java also we are having the getter method, setter method. In Python also we are having the setter method, getter method. But this time, sir, text method. Text method. I want to get the text. I wanted to get the text. Now we can see. A new project, getters and setters. Now, a new file index.html, sorry, index.html code. CSS code is required or not? CSS code maybe not required. Script.js. Perfect. Exclamatory tag automatically HTML code is generated. Immediately go with the code.jquery.com or releases.jquery.com. Minified version, copy here and paste here. Second one. So our JavaScript code, you see, script colon src script.js, our JavaScript code. Perfect. Now, a paragraph, you see, a paragraph. Let me copy one paragraph, you see. Let me copy. Sir, a paragraph. Actually, you don't know how to use jQuery methods. jQuery methods. Actually, you don't know how to use jQuery methods, but usage of jQuery methods also already defined in user interface. Defined in user interface. jQuery user interface is the perfect choice. jQuery user interface is a perfect choice. So to develop web applications, web apps. So packages, live server, start server. Now, sir, actually you don't know how to use the jQuery methods, but jQuery usage of methods also already defined in the user interface. jQuery user interface is a perfect choice to develop what web applications. Now, okay, any text you see, no problem. So let me create a button here. I wanted to create a button. Let's go with something text button. You see, text button. Now we can see one button here. It is the text button. You see, text button. Sir, whatever the matter here it is there, now that matter I want to access. Whatever the matter here it is there, that matter I want to access. So this paragraph, you see, this paragraph ID equal to, let's go with the paragraph 1. Just click this, the matter I want to access. Now, okay, this button you see, button ID equal to btn1, button 1. Simple. Sir, at the very first dollar symbol, document, which means entire website dot ready. If the website is ready, so this function will execute, or will execute 100%. So this button, that button means btn1, you see, btn1, dollar symbol, hash, btn1. Sir, if the people will click this, then this function to be executed. So what is this function? Sir, this paragraph I want actually. Yes, whatever the paragraph, whatever I want the matter actually. So dollar hash para1 dot. Sir, which method we are using? Text method we are using. You see, text method we are using. Now just click this. Sir, whatever here it is there now, the total matter, yes, it came actually. If you don't believe this, let me store in a variable data. That data I'm printing with the alert, you see. That data I'm printing with the alert. Now we can see. Just click this. Now we can see whatever the background data here it is there. Now that data I'm accessing. You see, actually you don't know how to use the jQuery methods, but usage of the jQuery, yes, the background whatever here it is there, we are accessing. You see, we don't believe here. Just go with the inspect. Let me try here. Let me try here with the console data. Just press enter. Sorry, data. Now we can see. Sir, why we are unable to capture? Sir, already I have defined, right? What exactly I have defined already? Sir, we can't call these methods. Previously, by using the JavaScript, we just accessed everything. Now this time it is not possible. Which method? Data here it is there. Data is available in some methods. Which method? There is no function name. Ready? There is no function name. Totally anonymous. Total security here it is there. You suggest we can access the data here. That's it. Professionally, we can access. In professionally, it is not possible. Okay. The second one. So this method is acting as a I wanted to get something. If you wanted to get something, get matter, get something, you wanted to use the text method. Get something, get matter, get any information. Now we can see we are getting, we are using what? So text method we are using. You see, text method we are using. Okay. 1 minute. Control A copy. Text get 1 minute. Get text HTML code. Get text HTML code. Sorry, it's not HTML code. Get text JS code. Now, 1 minute. So let me draw the diagram. Sir, here previously I'm using one method name text method. You see text method. Sir, by using this method, I'm getting some information. You see here, by using that method, I'm getting some information. You see. Sir, by using the same method, I will change the matter also. Yes, by using this method, I'm getting the information. You see, sir, by clicking this button, I'm getting the information. Sir, by using the same method, by same button, I will change the information also. Here it is possible. Yes, it is really possible. Same method name. Now we can see which method, text method, same. Now we can see. This is a printing purpose, right? This is a saving purpose, right? Now we can see. Sir, para one text method. So I'm able to access, you see a text method, I'm able to access the text. Sir, the same method. Now we can say here what I am writing, you see what I am writing. Practice is good for everything. Now we can see. Just click this. Now we can see the matter here. It is changed. You see, which act as a inner HTML. You see in the JavaScript, which act as a inner HTML topic. You see inner HTML topic. Now we can see. Now refresh. Now we can see practice is good for everything. Now we can see just click this. The matter here it is changed. You see. So just click this. The matter here it is changed. Just click this. The matter here it is changed. Okay. So now actually I need to tell with a different example. Okay, no problem. 1 minute. Let me tell the situation. Let me use a button. 1 minute. Copy this button to. Button to. So text method. 1 minute. I'm changing the code 1 minute. So previously I'm getting the matter. Now we can see. Sir, previously I'm getting the matter. That matter directly I'm printing. You see, directly I'm printing with the alert. Directly I'm printing with the alert. Now we can see. Just click this, the matter I am getting, you see. Sir, once I click this button, the matter has to change. Just copy the same information, you see, copy the same information. This time button 2. If you click, sir, I'm not printing. I'm changing the data. Something is 1 minute. Something is better than nothing. Nothing is better than nonsense. Now we can see. Sir, if I click the first button, now we can see I'm getting the data. Perfect. See the data, actually jQuery information. Sir, if I click the second button, you see, sir, if I click the second button, we are changing the data. Now we can see something is better than nothing, nothing is better than nonsense. Sir, now I am clicking the first button. Now we can see if you click the second button, the matter here it is changed. You see, sir, if I click the first button, whatever the matter is updated, right? That matter I am able to access, you see. Yes. Now we can see refresh. Sir, first I am getting the entire information. Sir, once you click the matter here, it is changed, you see. Again, if you click the first button, whatever the matter here it is changed, that matter we are able to access, you see. Even you see, even in the data, you see, even in the data, now we can see jQuery information is there in the coding. You see, jQuery information is in the coding, even we are able to access what the latest information only we are able to access. Okay. So this is, you see here, this one is getting the data. This one is changing with the another data. If you click the first button, latest information on the fly, we are able to access. This comes under on the fly situation. Get a text, set a text. Same method. Same method here, just this method, 1 minute. We have to give some data. Data we have to give, that's it. Same method's name, just parameters different. This is for accessing the data, this is for changing the data. Get a text, we are getting the data. Set a text, we are changing the data. Whatever the data is updated, that data we are able to access. Set text, HTML code. Set a text, JS code. Now, sir, I wanted to try with the CSS code. Now we can see what I am trying, sir. I just wanted to try with the CSS code. I just wanted to try use it. Let me try whether it will work out or not. Let's see. So let me delete the two buttons to this button. Okay, fine. So here CSS method I am using. You see CSS. Okay. So let me delete everything. You see, let me delete everything. Now, sir, once the document is ready, we are implementing the function. You see. Once the document is ready, we are implementing the function. What is the function? Now we can see hash button one, sir. Now we can see this is a button one. Button one. Sir, people will click. Sir, if the people will click. Okay. Now, sir, here this function to be executed like anonymously. There is no function name, the security code. Now, sir, this paragraph here it is there now. Paragraph. So hash para one. You see, para one. Hash ID. Hash. Now we can see ID. So we have to use hash. Class means dot. Now dot. Sir, CSS code I want. You see, CSS code I want. Sir, CSS codes, many features we are having. The color we are having, font size we are having, font family we are having, borders we are having, like lot of the code we are having. You see. CSS means like many features we are having. Paragraph, you see. Okay. Sir, I want color. Paragraph color I want. Let's see what exactly we will get. So this one I am printing with the alert, you see. I am printing with the alert entire information. Let's see. Just click this, sir. The paragraph color is what? Black color. That's why you see R, red color, green color, blue color. So 0, 0, 0. So there is no color. There is no color means default color. You see here, default color you see. 1 minute. Let's go with something. So paragraph, style. I'm giving the style, color equal to 1 minute. Color equal to, let's say green color you see. Let's say green color, right? Now we can see, click this. Now we can see sir 128 here it is there you see. RGB, somewhat green color here it is there you see. 128 green color is there you see. Yes. Now we can see, suppose if you are giving with the some red color, you see red color. Now we can see sir 255 red color here it is there you see. Yes, we are able to access what the colors. Suppose one website here it is there, that website name I have forgotten. 1 minute. CSS. In a website, whatever the CSS code here is, suppose amazon.com here it is here, you see, amazon.com here it is here. Sir, in this website, what are the paragraph colors? Paragraph colors, paragraph font size, paragraph family, image size. You see, image sizes, image height, image width, border, division, each and every CSS code. If you wanted to track, you see, simple. We can use this formula and we can use a para ID, whatever the ID is there, image, CSS, height, width, each and everything we can access. So let's go with the same alert. Sir, here I want something font size. Font size. Now we can see whether it is working or not. Just click. Sir, the red color here it is there. And you can see, sir, 16 pixel is the default font size that everybody knows. 16 pixel. If you are not maintaining any font size, 16 pixel is the default font size. Sir, what is the font family? Style. Times New Roman is the default one, right? Now we can see. Sir, here Times New, font family. Now we can see, sir, red color here it is there. 16 pixel here it is there. Now we can see Times New Roman is the default font family. 16 pixel is the default font size, you see. Yes, I'm getting the information of CSS code. Get CSS HTML code. Get CSS JS code. Now, sir, if I click the button, anything we can change. CSS colors, we can change. CSS font, we can change. Yes, we can change. Yes, we can change. It is possible. Let me try this. Sir, this time I don't want to print with the alert. It's not about the alert concept. Now, 1 minute. Sir, here I am using the CSS method. CSS method I am using. Sir, here parameters, here it is there. Parameters, here it is. Parameter, here it is there. So the same CSS method I am using, parameter. But this time value I am giving, sir. What I am giving? Value I am giving. So we can change the values. Yes, by using that method, you are accessing the CSS code, right? By using this method, you can change the CSS code also is possible. This is getting the information, it is changing the information, setting the information. Now we can see. Sir, color I am giving the orange. Sir, font size I am giving the 45 pixel. Yes, we can give the 45 pixel. Sir, font family I am giving. Let me find one font family. Font family, winner hand ITC. Winner hand ITC. Now we can see. Just click this. Now we can see orange color here. It is changed perfect. Orange color. What is the font size? 45 pixel. Yes, it is a perfect. You see 45 pixel. What is the font style? Now we can see winner hand ITC. Now we can see same. So do you want to see with the font size very low? Now we can see font size 5 pixel. Now we can see, just click this font size 5 pixel, very small font size, you see. You wanted to change with the color blue. Now we can see blue color. Just click this. Now we can see. So this method, we can change the things. One website, entire website also we can change, you see. This concept is a not easy concept, you see. This concept is not a easy concept. Sir, here apply theme. Apply love theme. Let us use. Sir, here apply love theme, apply black color theme, apply black theme. Now we can see, sir, in the mobile, we are having the different types of themes, right? Sir, whenever I click this button, total, it will change to the black theme. Total, it will change to the white theme, love theme. It is possible. Here it is a simple scenario, but in the real time scenario, but we can perform like many features we can perform. Okay. One. Set CSS HTML code. Set CSS JS code. Set CSS JS code. Now, so I will tell another method and I will finish the session. So today I will go with another method. Sir, HTML method is there. You see, HTML method we are using. So here also the same HTML method we will use, and with a different data. Same. Now we can see. So let me delete each and everything. One make it. Let me delete this color. Perfect. Black color here it is there. So here get HTML. Get HTML code. Get HTML code. Now we can see. Sir, Amazon.com here it is there. So from here to here, you see here, the total HTML code I wanted to access. Now we can see this is one division, this is another division, this is another division. I wanted to access the 3 divisions of the HTML code. Yes, we can access, you see, get HTML code. Now, 1 minute. Now we can see jQuery UI is the perfect choice to create the web apps, right? Now we can see. Sir, here, let's go with the U. U means underline. Now we can see underline we will get. U tag. U tag means underline. Sir, choice. I want something bold. Now we can see, sir, B means bold tag you will get. B means bold tag we will get. Sir, develop. I want italic. I tag, you see. I means italic. I tag. Italic. Okay, capital letter, small letter, no problem. Develop. Italic. Sir, web, I want bold and italic. Web, you see. Bold, italic. Inside web, here it is there. Web, here it is there. Now we can see bold and italic. Sir, apps I wanted to strike. STRIKE, strike option will be there. Strike. Control X. Now we can see strike, you see. Okay. Sir, here underline, here it is there. Here bold letter, here it is there. Here italic, here it is there. Here bold and italic, here strike, here it is there. So total HTML code I want to access, whether it is a division. Okay, when you work with the like very big code, it comes under very big division. So, but this is something very small code, right? So it comes under paragraph, you see. Now let me, okay. No. Sir, once the document is ready, this function will be executed. Sir, in this function, let me create the button one. Let me click, where is the button? Let me click the button one. Dot click. So this function to be executed. So what is this function, sir? Hash para1, paragraph 1. Suppose let assume this is something very big division, you see. From here to, suppose here to here, you wanted to access the entire HTML code. Okay. So this is something para1 dot HTML. Sir, you will get the HTML code. If you don't believe, print with the alert. Print with the alert. Now we can see. Now we can see, sir, query, yes, perfect. Sir, you see, you see here, you, underline, UI, okay, is a perfect choice. B, bold, here it is here, you see, 1 minute. Now we can see B, bold, here it is there. I, italic, here, develop, you see, develop, italic, here it is there. Sir, web, bold and italic, here it is there. Strike, app, strike, here it is here, you see. Yes, which means we can access what the HTML code also, like divisions HTML's code also we can access. Get HTML code, HTML. Get HTML code, JS code. Sir, I wanted to change the data. Okay, it is possible. Text method, you can change the data. Sir, at the same time, I want to change the data. Now we can say, sir, you can access the entire HTML data, you can access. At the same time, by clicking the another button, entire HTML code also we wanted to change. The images we wanted to change, the buttons we wanted to change, everything we wanted to change. So it is possible, you see. Okay, it is possible. Now we can see set HTML code. Set HTML code. Just click. We are accessing the data, right? You can change the entire data. It is possible. Now we can set HTML. Here you see here. Good. Let's see. Good. But where is the HTML code? Okay, now we can see good. Health. Health. Now. Sir, bold, you see. Bold is bold. Sir, I want to underline, you see, you. Wealth. WEALTH. Health. Wealth. So, sir, I want to bold as well italic, you see. Italic. So, sleep 8 hours. Italic I am closing. Bold I am closing. So, next I want underline. So, don't use mobile. Let's see this, how it will work. Just click this. Sir, you are changing the data along with the HTML, you see. So now we can see is a bold one. Sir, here underline when you see here bold and italic, you see. So health is wealth. So sleep 8 hours. So don't use a mobile, you see. So even you are getting the underline also. Okay. So set HTML code. Set HTML JS code. So if I see this diagram, so this 1 minute. This method and this method and this method. 3 methods is acting as what getters. Getters. You can get the data. So this method and this method and this method. So it is acting as what setters. You can change the data. Setters. You can change the data, sir. Okay, setters as well what getters. Desktop 38. Okay, now we can see almost we are learning like many methods we are learning. In the last class, we have learned something 9 methods. So those 9 methods, some issues we have seen, like chain issues we have seen and callback issues we have seen. So today we have learned something, 6 methods we have learned, you see. 6 methods we have learned, that is something text method and CSS method as well HTML method we have learned. Okay. So in the very next class, we can see with the different methods. Okay. So is it fine? Shall I close the session for the today? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for the confirmation.